Vidya Balan has now issued a public warning after some AI-generated deepfake videos of her went viral on social media. The Bollywood actress is the latest victim of the misuse of artificial intelligence. Balan urged her fans and the public to verify information before sharing such content. She took to her social media to warn her fans about several fake videos of her doing the rounds on the internet. She pointed out that the fake videos were created using AI and urged everyone to be careful, reminding them not to fall for such misleading content. An AI-generated version of Vidya Balan is seen sitting on a sofa, greeting viewers with, "Hey, main hoon aap sabki favorite Vidya Balan." But the actress wasted no time in setting the record straight. She shared the clip with a big scam alert warning, making sure everyone knew it was fake. She penned a note that read, "There are multiple videos currently circulating on social media and WhatsApp, which appear to feature me. However, I want to clarify that the videos are AI-generated and inauthentic. I have no involvement in its creation or dissemination, nor do I endorse its content in any way."